Before grocery stores and perfect produce, food came from home gardens. Not gardens meant to look pretty, but gardens meant to feed families. Our grandparents grew vegetables chosen for one reason: they survived. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're rediscovering the forgotten vegetables our grandparents relied on, and why they still matter today. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always be certain of plant identification and consult a qualified professional before consuming unfamiliar foods. Sunchokes were planted once and harvested for years. They grew in poor soil, survived cold winters, and stayed underground until needed. Too messy for supermarkets, perfect for survival gardens. Parsnips. Parsnips were left in the ground through frost. Cold weather made them sweeter, not worse. They rewarded patience instead of speed. Rutabagas fed families all winter long. Stored in root cellars, they were filling, reliable, and humble. Not exciting but dependable when food was scarce. Good King Henry. Before spinach was common, families grew perennial greens. Good King Henry returned every spring without replanting, offering fresh greens when little else was growing. Celeriac, ugly on the outside, nourishing on the inside. Celeriac flavored soups, stored well, and lasted through winter. It fed people long after gardens went quiet. Sorrel. Before lemons were common, sorrel added brightness to meals. It was one of the first greens to appear in spring, signaling the land was waking up. Dry beans, not green beans, dry beans. They were protein, storage, and survival all in one. Easy to grow, easy to store, and essential to everyday meals. Why these vegetables disappeared? They didn't vanish because they failed. They vanished because they didn't ship well, ripen evenly, or look perfect. Modern food favors appearance and profit. Old gardens favored resilience and nourishment. Closing our grandparents didn't call this sustainable living. They called it normal. Maybe the future of food isn't new at all. Maybe it's something we once knew. If this video resonated with you, tell me in the comments. Which vegetable surprised you most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Natural Earth Living.